look like I have a wig on. Like a thick, luscious wig. Okay. Guess what we're doing today? My hair. So, my hair currently is kind of on the damp side still. I have not even brushed it out. I just had it in a microfiber towel. So what we're gonna do is brush it through first. And for this, I use a detangling brush always, just because I feel like they really make a difference in terms of hair health, and you're just able to brush through a lot quicker. Like, you see how fast that was? And my hair is not like pinned straight or anything like that. Now that I have brushed it, I use this attachment, which is just a blow dryer attachment, click up into the heat and then just rough dry. So my hair is kind of rough dry, and this is when the parting kind of really begins. So what I generally do is I go ahead and pull out my bangs and then pin everything else back. So I just have my bangs here in the front. I mean, I do it really roughly. You don't have to be precise with this. And then we go ahead and pop this off. You just literally pull this down, pop that off, and then put on a new attachment, which is this one. It has hair on it because it is not something I use as an accessory. I actually use it, so that's my hair. And then I go for the bangs. So just kind of in and out. I'll get closer. You just go over and under and over and under. And then over again. But the last time, roll it up like so, and then cool blast. Turn it off, and then I literally just leave this at the top, like so. You can just go ahead and put, let's see. I saw this on TikTok. Let's see if it works. She just put a, ha! It does. So this is what I will look like for the rest of this video. All right, so the rest of it, you definitely will need a ton of these, right? A ton of clips to make sure your hair is nice and separated. The way that I separate usually is I will go down the back like so, brush them in, and then just pull this side away. Oh no! No! Well, it's holding a really nice curl. So let's try that again. So just like so. And then I think to make sure it holds, I'm gonna use one of these. Cool. So now we are ready to get started on the curl drying. And for the curl drying, I'm gonna use these two attachments. First things first, section. And we pop on the dryer and we start. Just like that. And you see, it starts to immediately just form these beautiful curls. Just around the whole head. Why not? Let's add another step to this for absolutely no reason outside of I saw it on TikTok and I want to do it. Let's put these on. How will I keep them secured is the question. More clips. Just be ahead of clips. Roll it up. And then out. Let's continue this trend of rollers. Imagine I run out of rollers. How sad would that be? That would be very sad. Okay. Roll, roll, roll your roller. What's going on? Nobody knows. Do it again. Oh. Honestly, whenever I film things, nothing goes right. Like, do you know how many times I have dried my hair like this? No problems at all. The second there's a camera, everything is hitting the fan. We're splitting you in two, babes. That's all. Okay. One here. One there. Fabulous. Suppose I can use these for the like smaller parts up here. Will I order more of these on Amazon? More of these Velcro ones? Yes, I will. Yes, I will, because as I assumed, this is a mess. I think I went rogue. I ended up putting in these CONAIR waves. Big ass curlers, so let's see how this ends up. I feel very like housewifey in this. This should be a Coca-Cola. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 2 hours now. Let's take these down. So nervous. Okay, big and fluffy. Cool, cool. Oh no! That one did not really do much. Okay, I can confidently say my hair is usually big, so I'm not shocked by that. But this level of volume, even to me, is... Oh, I look like I have a wig on! Like a thick, luscious wig. Okay. I wish I was wearing something other than this little prairie dress, but I think I can confidently say I will be using these again 100%. This is what they are, the Wave CONAIR. No. Sorry, I think I out Matilda Jerfed with this.